In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit styles in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to update text, color, and effect styles so the changes apply consistently across your entire file. First, we'll edit a text style. Start by selecting a text layer that already uses the style you want to change. You can click directly on the text in your canvas, or select it from the Layers panel if that's easier to see. With the text layer selected, look to the right side design panel and click the Style icon, the 4 dots next to the text properties. Now click the style name to open its settings. This focuses the shared text style, not just the single layer. From here, adjust the font family, size, weight, line height, or color as needed. Make the exact changes you want the style to have everywhere. Once that's done, click Update Style to apply the changes everywhere it's used. Figma will update all layers linked to this text style, so you don't have to edit each one manually. If you still see no change, double-check that the selected text was indeed using that style before you updated it. Next, we'll edit a color style. Select an object that uses the color style you want to modify. This can be a shape, a component, or any layer that has the shared color applied. In the right side design panel, click the Fill Color chip to open the color controls. Then click the Style icon next to the color to reveal the linked style and open its settings. Now modify the color value. You can type a hex code, adjust the sliders, or pick a new color from the picker. Keep your change focused on the shared style, so every layer using it updates the same way. When you're satisfied, click Update Style to apply the color globally. All objects using that color style will immediately reflect the new value, which helps keep your design consistent without hunting through every frame. If the color doesn't change somewhere you expected, it likely isn't using the style and maybe a local color instead. Now, we'll edit an effect style such as shadows or blurs. Select the object that uses the effect so the Effects section appears in the Design panel. In the Effects section, click the Style name to open the Shared Effects settings. You're now adjusting the style itself, not a one-off layer. Make your changes to the shadow, blur, or other effect settings. For shadows, you can fine-tune the offset, blur, spread, and opacity to match your visual system. For blurs, adjust the blur amount to get the exact softness you need. Once your changes look correct, click Update Style to save them. Figma immediately applies the updated effect to every layer using that effect style, keeping shadows and blurs consistent across components and screens. At this point, you've edited a text style, a color style, and an effect style. By selecting a layer that uses the style, opening the style from the Design panel, making targeted adjustments, and clicking Update Style to apply the change globally. This approach ensures you're working with the shared styles themselves, which is the safest way to maintain consistency across a large file or team library. If you ever notice a style not updating somewhere, it's usually because that layer isn't linked to the style, or it was overridden locally. Reselecting the correct style on that layer will bring it back in sync with your updates. Your Figma styles are now updated and applied consistently across your design. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.